Hi, hello everyone. Today I am back with the exciting topic. It is fixed deposit. So let's discuss about fixed deposit today. So before that, if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to S.M.V channel creations. So let's start. What is this fixed deposit? It is a type of investment where you deposit a certain sum of money with a bank or a financial institutions for a fixed period of time, and in return the bank pays you a fixed interest of money at the fixed rate of interest. So in brief, this is a financial instrument offered by the banks and financial institutions that allows an individual to earn a fixed rate of interest for a predetermined period for a time. Here is a summary of fixed deposit. So this is a small introduction about fixed deposit. So now let's see about the features of this fixed deposit amount. So the first main feature is fixed interest rate. So what is this fixed interest rate? The interest rate on fixed deposit remains throughout the tenure. So this means if you have paid a certain sum of amount for a certain sum of interest rate, it will be the same throughout the year or throughout the maturity period. It may be 3%, so it may be 7% or 4%, 5%, 6%, 9%, and so on. So the next feature of this fixed deposit is the tenure. So the tenure of this fixed deposit may range to 7 days to 10 years, because there is always a time period for this fixed deposit. It may be 7 days, or it may be 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, and 10 years as well. So the next feature of this fixed deposit is minimum deposit. So as banks have a minimum deposit requirements to open a fixed deposit amount. So the minimum deposit amount in a bank, in a general bank, is 1000 rupees. It may depends on the banks also, while there are many sectors in financial institutions also. So the next feature of this fixed deposit is premature withdrawal. So if you need to withdraw a certain sum of money or a certain money before the maturity date, the bank will charge you penalty. So because it may be at the time of emergency, or it may be time of we needed the money, at that time we can talk to the banks and take the money what we have deposited as a FD account or fixed deposit account, but there will be a penalty of 1%. So next feature of this fixed deposit is taxation. So on all the invested amount there will be a certain number of tax. So as such as there is also a tax interest, there is also tax on this fixed deposit. The interest earned on the fixed deposit is taxable as per the income tax slab of the depositor. So let me give an instance on this taxation. Okay, the taxation on the interest earned will be 10%. So it may be, okay, you have earned the interest amount of rupees 40,000 per year, there will be 10%, means 4,000 will be deducted. If you have earned 13 lakhs, 3 lakhs extra, on the 10%, 30,000 will be deducted. So this is with the taxation. So this is the features of fixed deposit. So next one is, let's see about the advantages. There is a good advantage of this is guaranteed returns. So the interest rate on fixed deposit is fixed, hence the return will be guaranteed. And this is a government or held by the government, this will be a guaranteed returns. There will be no loss of any single amount. And the next one is advantages. It is a very safe investment. So fixed deposits are always a safe investment option as they are backed up by the government. So as I told in the last guaranteed returns only, this is also maintained by the government. So there is no way of taking a threat or anybody hacking your account on the fixed dates. So the next feature of this advantage of this fixed deposit amount is it will be a regular income. Yes, fixed deposit offer a regular income in the form of interest payment. So we can make this on the monthly basis, or the quarterly basis, or on the yearly basis. If we don't want all of this, we can take the full amount at the maturity date. So this is the main advantage of this fixed deposit. There is also a dark side for this FD. I mean to tell the disadvantage. So the fixed deposits, there are certain some of disadvantages such as low returns. The interest rate of fixed deposit is generally low. This is also disadvantage as a low returns because in this year it is 7.1%, for senior citizens it is 7.8%. But before 2 years back it was 4% and 4.5%. So the interest may vary on depending upon the inflation rates. So the next disadvantage is inflation risk. So the returns on this fixed deposit may not keep a pace of inflation, leading to the decrease of the purchasing power. Because at the time of the withdrawal maturity, if the rate falls down, there will be a general loss while maturity period. So the good thing is that we can take on a monthly basis itself, because we can take the amount as well. We will get we can save the interest amount which is earned by our amount as well. This is also a disadvantage as inflation risk. So next is premature withdrawal penalty. Yes, this is also a penalty one, because we have to pay penalty for our amount itself. If we withdraw our money before the maturity date, banks will charge a penalty of 1%, which can be significant. Compared to the other investment schemes, there will be a penalty, but I don't think so there will be much. But there is a penalty of 1% in the FD account. 1% is also a loss only, guys. I can't tell anything. This is also on our amount, but we don't have choice. If you have emergency, we have to withdraw that amount also. So the next it is taxations. Yes, this one, as all the investments have a tax slab, this one has also a tax slab. The interest earned on the FDs is taxable. So the interest what we earn on our amount will be taxable, reducing the overall returns. So just in case, this taxable will be a sum of 10% on interest earned. So if we earn an interest of 40,000 per year, we will get 10% deduction in that 40,000 amount. It will be 4,000. So we will get around 36,000. If we get the returns of 3 lakhs, there will be deduction of 30,000, and we will get 2,70,000 as our interest back. So let me explain you about the calculation on this fixed deposit. If I have invested 1 lakh in FD for 5 years at a rate of 7%, my total maturity amount or estimated returns will be 41,478 rupees. So the total value will be 1,41,478 rupees. Increase our amount to 5 lakhs for the same 5 years at the rate of 7%. This is the magic number, guys. This is the estimated returns will be 2,07,389. This is not a small amount. This is a high amount only. So the total value of our amount at the maturity time will be 7,07,389 rupees. This is quite a huge amount only, as we get the 2 lakhs of interest. Overall, fixed deposits are safe and secure investment options that offers guaranteed returns. However, the returns may not be high as other investment options. Before investing in FDs, please read all the skill documents related to the FD policies and procedures as we read for all the investment platforms. So overall, I like to tell that your fixed deposit is a safe platform to invest. So hope this video was informative to you. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel S.M.V channel creations. I'll be back with another interesting topic in my next video. Thank you.